Hi everyone, this is a short video to show you how to run your own RChain.Cloud instance locally. Why would you want to do this? Well, you can have your web rolling IDE and tutorial with you, whether you have internet or not, whether the public instance might be up or not. Alright, let's look into it. This is the RChain.Cloud that's being hosted publicly. And currently it seems to have a problem. So one very good reason to run your own instance. The script on how to do that is here. The repo recently changed to RChain community, so the install instructions do not reflect that yet, and this basically is the reason for this video. Alright, we need Docker, Node.js in a certain version above 8, and npm. Let's make sure we have all these. We do have Docker, we do have Node, and we do have npm, so all that is fine. Now instructions tell us to clone the repo. We're not going to clone this repo, we're going to clone the new repo, so we always have the latest version. And now we should install npm dependencies in this repo. And according to these old install instructions, we should be done and already able to run RChain.Cloud. Unfortunately, we're still missing the latest Docker image for rnode, so that one we have to pull. By the way, this warning here for npm install can be ignored. At the moment, we don't have rnode.cloud in npm yet. Let's check. No Docker image yet. We're going to pull RChain rnode. And while that is running, I can give you a very quick intro on how this works. Node exposes the web IDE, and if you click run code, it will transfer that code into a locally started Docker image, which Node communicates with on port 50,000. Inside the Docker image, your code is then being executed in REPL mode, and any logs and outputs are being delivered back to the web console. And that's basically all there is to it. Yeah. Once this Docker pull is done, we're ready to go. Now let's check. That is fine. Let's run this RChain rnode. Just to show you another quick thing. In the very first startup of the rnode Docker container, we need to generate a certificate and secret key. That happened just there, and we're connecting to a bootstrap server which is being run by Pyrofax and the RChain co-op. And since this initialization now is done, we are ready to run our own local instance. And running is just choosing a port and doing npm start. So let's choose a port. Oops. And npm start. We see the console log of Node telling us what it's doing. It's starting up a Docker image, which it has not found yet, so it's starting it up for us. And now we can connect to our web IDE. Here we are. And we're sending code to our local Docker image, and code is being executed and checked. Let's check the prime number example. 2 is running. That's all there is to it. Alright, enjoy your Rolang experiments and let us know how everything is going for you. Bye.